Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 5 of Surah As-Sajda and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يدبر الأمر من السماء إلى الأرض U for the circle your lips. The B for fatha open jaws attached ba. There is no flow of sound in ba. The makhraj cuts off the sound. The B for kasra give e sound. The B rule make ra heavy whenever there is the ma or fatha on ra, it is always heavy. Here it is heavy. Orul. So to make any letter heavy, you lift your tongue up and then you're attaching it with a lam. It has the wasat. Orul. Hamza is sharp. For fatha open jaws, attach it. Meme will get zip off the wasat. And the wasat is medium flow of sound. Ra. Ra. Again, ra is heavy. For fatha open your jaws. Ra. Mi. Focus give e sound. Nas. For fatha open jaws attached with sin. Sin will get zip off ra. Hawa. Nas. For fatha open jaws. With fatha the sound is short. Ma. 4 counts long. This is mad muttasil wajib. Ma'i for kasra give e sound. E for kasra give e sound. Lal for fatha open jaw attached. Lam will get zip off the wasut. Aw Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached to ra. Ra will be heavy, but keep Hamza light. Aw we for kasra give e sound. And dot will be heavy. Thum for dhamma circle your lips attach with meme. You will get zip off gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Thum and then with fatha the sound is short. Ma yeah. Keep ya light. And in makhraj of ya is when you're lifting your tongue up, but you are not touching your palate. You're not touching it. This is where the ya, the sound of ya is there. Yeah, yeah. And ain should be from your throat and it has tawassut. Yeah, uru. Ra is heavy. For dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Ju for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short and light. E for kasra give e sound. Lay. This is ya lean. So lean means to make it soft. So when you are attaching this fatha with ya, the sound should be very soft. Lay. He for kasra give e sound. Fee, give hums and fa, make it 2 counts long. Fee, yow, wowleen. What is wowleen and yaleen? Wow has sakun or ya has sakun. And it has fatha before it. Fatha. This is called wowleen. This is called yaleen. Look, this is ya with sukoon and it has fatha before it. This is why it is called yailin. And lean means to make it soft. So you are making it soft when you are pronouncing it. Lay, he, for kasra give e sound. Fi, 2 counts long. Yaw, again wow. Look, wow, sakina, qablaha maftuh. Wow, sakina, qablaha maftuh. The conditions are met. So this is wow, lean. So make it soft. Yow, ning. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. And it sounds like you're about to say ink. So, ming, ka, 2 counts long. Na, for top and jaws. Miqa, for kasra give e sound attached. Qaf, qaf has qalqala. And it is heavy. Miqa, da, 2 counts long. Uru, ra is heavy. For dhamma, circular lips, the sound is short. Who. This is mad munfasil jaiz. Make it 4 counts long. Who al hamza is sharp of fatha on jaws attached with lam. Lam will get zip off the wasut. Alf for fatha open jaws. Sa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Na for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Tim idgham with gunna. So when you're giving gunna, you're keeping the sound in your nose, and don't forget to give the sound of kasra here. Tim mim. This is idgham shafawi. Mim ma should not be in your nose. The long vowels does not go into your nose, but when you are giving idgham, or yes, it brings in um, Gunna Kamila. But when you are saying long vowels, there should not be any nasal sound. Look, here we are saying mim. It clearly goes into your nose. But when we are saying ma, it should be from your mouth, not from your nose. Ma, two counts long. Ta, for patha open jaws. Rud, ain from your throat, for dhamma circle lips, and dal will have shidda. Shidda means there is no flow of sound. Rud, dun. Because of the spark, we are giving temporary sukun on noon. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid li sukun. Now it is four counts long, and you will give tawassut here because noon is with sukun now. تعدون يدبر الأمر من السماء إلى الأرض ثم يعرج إليه في يوم كان مقداره ألف سنة مما تعدون. The two counts long. Give the in dal when you are keeping your tongue under the edge of the frontal teeth. That brings in that the which is needed to say this dal. The li focus give e sound. Ka for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ain from your throat. Make it two counts long. Li focus give e sound. Mul for the circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get off the wasul. Ghoi. This is Yailin. Look, here we discussed about it. Ya sakina qablaha maftuh. Ya sakin, and there should be fatha before it. What brings in it brings in what softness when you are attaching this fatha with ya. Here you are bringing softness. Ghain, keep ghain heavy. Ghain is a heavy letter. It has nothing to do with lean, but I'm discussing it that ghain should be heavy. Make a heavy letter heavy. But when you are attaching with ya, here you are bringing in softness. Oi, V for kasra give E sound. Wash, makhraj of vowel. Circling your lips. Don't ever use your teeth to pronounce wow. It has nothing to do with teeth. Wash for fatha open jaws. Ha, two counts long. Da for fatha open jaws. Til for kasra give E sound attached. Lam now when you get above the wasut. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Z, two counts long. This za has safir. Zur. For Dhamma circle lips attached with ra will be heavy because there is fatha on it, and it will be heavy. Yes, zur him. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun on meme. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel. It was two counts long before. Now it has turned into four. This is madarid lis sukun. ذلك عالم الغيب والشهادة العزيز الرحيم. ذلك عالم الغيب والشهادة العزيز الرحيم. الذي Hamza is very sharp. Papa top on jaws attached lam. Lam will get sifat the boss. Allah la Papa top on jaws. The mad mad munfasil jaiz. The Hamza is sharp. Papa top on jaws attached ha. How will get sifat rahawa and hams. Sa Papa top on jaws. Na Papa top on jaws. Kul for the circle lips attached with lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position and it should not be in the position of saying dhamma. Dhamma is only on kaf. It's not on lam. So bring your lips straight when you are saying lam. Kul la fatha upon jaws. Shay. This is yailin. So make it soft. Shay in. صفة التوسط أنه حكمه إظهار. شيء خلقه. خ is heavy. Papa open jaws. La lam is light. خلقه. Qaf is heavy. Papa open jaws and attach it ha. Ha will get sifa of raqafa and keep ha light. Why I am saying so? Because if it has heavy letter beside it, then we tend to make light letters heavy too, but don't do that. Ha is light. Kha is heavy. Lam is light. Qaf is heavy. Ha is light. خلقه. خلقه. Makhraj of waw is circling your lips. We are not using our teeth and lower lip to say wow. This is a wrong way to say wow. We are just circling our whole lips to say this wow. Ba, for fatha upon jaws. Da, for fatha upon jaws. وبدأ. All these four has same length. وبدأ خل. Kha is heavy. Fatha upon jaws attached. Lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut and lam is light. Khol. Sorry. Khol. Khol. Qaf is heavy. Fatha upon jaws attached. Lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Qol. For kasra give e sound attached with noon. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light because sin is among light letters. So to make any ikhfa light, you are keeping your tongue straight. Sa, 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound. Miya for kasra give e sound. And this ikhfa is heavy. To make any ikhfa heavy, you are you are lifting your tongue up. Meow, meow, teen. Because of this verb, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel. It was 2 counts long before. Now it has turned into 4. This is 4 now. And keep ta heavy. طين. الذي أحسن كل شيء خلقه وبدأ خلق الإنسان من طين. For Dhamma circular left attached meme will get sifa. Gunna, this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. And fatha, the sound is short. Ma, ja, for fatha upon jaws. A, from your throat, for fatha upon jaws. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Nas, for fatha upon jaws attached sin will get sifa for a khawa, and it has safir and it is light. Nas, but don't press hard. to say to bring in rakhawa. Rakhawa has to be it has flow into its sound. If you are pressing too hard, this flow will be interrupted. So don't do that. Say it softly, but give rakhawa. Nasla for fatha punjas. Who for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Mia, this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So to make any ikhfa light, you keep your tongue straight. Mia, su for the circle ellipse. La, 2 counts long. La, this the second lam is short. La. Team idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this gunna is akmal. Team mim idgham with gunna, which is akmal. The gunna is akmal here. Mim ma. Make sure when you're making it 4 counts long, it should not go into your nose. Ma im idgham shafawi. Sorry, idgham bidgunna. Idgham bidgunna. And keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mim im for fatha jaws. Hin. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is 4 counts long now. This is mad arid sukoon. ثم جعل نسله من سلالة من ماء مهين من ماء مهين سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.